Hello, YouTube vintage stereo collectors and restorers.
I just want to give you a little tour through my workshop here just for fun. See how I do things. No means the right way or the wrong way. I keep some basic stuff here, socket set, little parts nearby, second multimeter. In the cabinet I actually have some vintage test equipment. Tube tester, signal generator, RF meter, that kind of stuff, all tube stuff. For the newer stuff, I actually hook it in my computer. For signal generator, that type of stuff, I use the computer. But here's where I work, quite literally, on Grandma's kitchen table. This was Grandma's kitchen table, and this is how I started out, working on kitchen tables and wherever I could, playing with stuff. Keep some basic hand tools, meters, soldering iron, that kind of stuff. Some tunes. And sometimes I watch TV shows on my little Sony monitor. It's kind of the side and not too obtrusive. Over here I have a computer where I can look stuff up, if I need a schematic or check parts values. I can see what's going on outside. Over here is where I keep the parts, and I've decided what I need should be up here. And so this is stuff, this nice helicopters I just finished a little while ago. Here basically tubes, and I like these plastic boxes. Keep them clean and dry. I sorted them, audio tubes, miniature, octal, 12 volt, 6 volt. Over here, basic parts, transistors, wire, patch cords, bulbs, caps, power resistors, audio transformers, scrap volume controls, hot glue gun, drill bits. I use these little things here to put capacitors, resistors in, so I can have it, beside me while I'm working. I have this green thing is filled with knobs that I've taken off old equipment. Then I have all kinds of other stuff here, a couple extra soldering irons, different parts, phono cartridges, radio cloth, AC power cords, clips. That's for using on the speaker for vintage radios. Just the ones I use a lot. All my little secret chemicals, nothing big here. Lighter fluids, Silvo, not an advertising for anything. Mod Podge for repairing speakers, plastic polishing compound, alcohol, a little bit of grease, that kind of stuff. Carbon bearing grease for tuners. I have a little bit more storage in here. One thing I wanted to talk about was I've worked in places. I remember one shop I worked in, it was a stereo shop that took over an old TV repair shop, and I was working in a shop. It was literally floor to ceiling with parts. Just absolutely unbelievable. You couldn't find anything. You couldn't hardly move. Literally, my chair would be here, and there are boxes and chassis and junk all along the side. I'd get something to the bench, and I'd have to push it away, and then work on it. I'd go, I need a couple of output transistors for this. Maybe 2 N3055s. And then I have to go, I'm not kidding, it would take you an hour and a half to find them. There are parts, bins, boxes, everything. So I've decided not to do it that way. Keep it pretty simple. It's not very high tech. Anyway, thanks for watching and listening.